Howdy, JG Certified here with a PC rebuild. This machine is another family member's machine. Unfortunately the power supply went out on it and it took out the motherboard and, well, I think everything else as well. I tried just replacing the power supply and what happened was the system wouldn't turn off. It would just go straight to powered on, never post, and that would be the end of it. So, as this video, I'll replace the motherboard, replace everything else, and I'll save testing it for Friday's video. It'll be a fairly abbreviated test after some issues with the video of the last laptop test I did. So I'll just continue replacing the bits and then see how it looks once it's all done. Right, well, that's everything put together in the case, so what I'll do is I'll put it aside, and for Friday's tech video we'll try it out and see if it's all happy. I'm hoping it's happy because I don't have to replace everything again. Yeah, so thanks for watching.